Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to import a WordPress site to local. Start by exporting your live sites database and files using a plugin or hosting export tools. Next, install your chosen local server and create a blank site folder and database. Then, copy the site files into the local folder and import the SQL dump into the new database. Finally, update wp-config and site URLs to match your local setup for testing. Set up a reliable local environment so your imported site runs smoothly. Install XAMPP, MAMP, or Local by Flywheel and start Apache and MySQL services. Create a new database and user with a clear password, then record the credentials for wp-config. PHP. Place the exported WordPress files into the correct local web root and ensure folder permissions are correct. These steps make the import process fast and predictable. Now import the actual site content and database to bring the live site locally. Copy the exported WP content, themes, and plugins into your local site folder, overriding if necessary. Open phpMyAdmin or Locals DB tool and import the SQL file, monitoring for errors. Edit wp-config. PHP with the local database name, user, and password, then save. Finally, run search and replace on URLs to point to your local address.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.